and of course our Zins and coaches. Okay, your request. Okay, let's make a video for all of us. No, ang atong mga kauban kamutanan with our Zins and coaches. Okay, sumunod by Zin Regine, Zin Mao, and Zin Camper. Let's have a video clip. Okay. No, so grabe, no? Huwag pa taga-start, nagliliya, nanginginig ang atong mga katawan. Aside sa init, no, it's good also para manggawas ang mga singot. Okay, all our team and coaches, there's a stage for our video clip with you guys. Okay.
Natulog pa sila. Natulog pa sila.
Di maglaro na ba ang tanan? Okay, ito mga gym masters, gym and coaches.
Coaches.
Para makita tanan. So, atong mga gym masters din, no, diri sa ubos. No? Sige. So, back lang tama, 3 steps backward para makita tanan. Zin Sheila. Zin. Napa si Zin Sheila? Kurang nga sa ubos si Zin.
Ma'am Shi.
Okay.
Atras pa daw.
Atras
pa daw. Atras ka. Atras pa daw ka. Dili makita ang diri. Atras mo kita. Kato na ay yellow na mukha. Pink, please.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay na?
Okay, so I think no na-plasta na ba itong mga jeans sa ubos? Okay, so now everybody, we ask for your participation and your moves, no? Para natong tanan and smile.
Hello! Yeah, maraming salamat. Okay, before we start po, we're gonna teach you the choreo for less than 1 minute lang para souvenir po natin lahat. So, ito po yung first step. Everybody, sayo po tayo lahat. Tara, mauunan po kayo sa video. Baba po kayo. Para po mayroon po tayo souvenir kapag nagkakape po tayo tsaka nagbibiskuit. Ate Sheila naman. Ako hinahanap ka nga namin. Okay, everybody first choreo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 3, close. 2, 3. 1, 3, close. 2, ulit. 1, 2, 3, and cross. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and cross. 5, 6, and single. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1.
Isa ka ng
6, 7, chorus. Double, and point. Point, and wave. And wave. And wave. Yung wave po natin, dalawa lang. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Point, and point. And wave, and wave. Wave, and wave. Then, party. Okay, try po natin may music, then video. Pa-play po, direct.
Okay, no? So sayo yung step. Everybody.
Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. One. Take out.
Okay, so okay bang lahat? Okay bang steps? Okay ba? Okay, sige. If you're okay, then make some noise again. Everybody say okay! Hala, hinay! Say okay! Wow! So yan ang taga-Iligan City. Okay? So, I think we have a 2.5 hour to show what you've got and show your moves this afternoon until evening. No, mag-end na 6 p.m. So, we expect na naanagid mo usa ka balde nga singot dira sa atubangan. No? Sir Eric? Okay, everybody smile with Zin Regine. Okay. No, at the end of this event, all of us, no, dili na dapat mukaon og more rice, more carbo, no? Dili pwede yung pag-uli sa balay, haplas di ifikasen. Din mamugnaw na dayon, agoy-noy. No? Wala din nak-nak, haplasi sa unakit, hindi pa maulan ko, agoy. But it's okay, no, it's okay. Once again, thank you so much to all our sponsors.
Grabe naman kayo! Miss Rex, thank you so much! much. Grabe kayo. Mga Iligan Zins, grabe, thank you. Okay ba kayo?